In this video, we are gonna reverse the string. It is the practice set of GFG, Geeks for Geeks. You are given a string S, you need to reverse the string. S is equals to geeks, so output should be skeeG. Is that clear? Okay. Now task only reverse word, that's a function. Okay. Method, or these are complexities. Okay, let's start now with I will recommend Python. I obviously use Python, so here is Python, and they have reverse word, it's a main function. So colon -1 return s, that's it. Okay, got it. Compile. Okay, it's taking a lot of time. Yeah, that's good. Output obviously it's same as expected output. Now I have to submit it. Test case processed 100 by 100. Okay, that's good. Accuracy is also 100%. Thank you.